The invention of the bulldozer during World War II revolutionized military operations, shifting the nature of ground warfare. Originally used for construction, this powerful machine became crucial in altering landscapes, creating defensive positions and clearing paths for troops. Key figures like Joseph Stalin utilized bulldozers to build fortifications and modify terrain rapidly. One striking anecdote details how bulldozers played a pivotal role in the Battle of Normandy, where they enabled swift deployment of troops by clearing debris and fortifying beachheads. This technological advancement not only aided immediate battle strategies, but also set the stage for post-war construction efforts, showcasing how innovation can reshape both warfare and society, influencing modern engineering practices even today.